Dreaming of that perfect vacation but balking at the skyrocketing prices? In 2025, travel costs are higher than ever, with popular spots like Greece or Thailand charging a premium. But what if you could get the same stunning beaches, vibrant cultures, and adventure vibes for half the cost? Welcome to our top 10 destination dupes for 2025. Affordable alternatives that might even outshine the originals. Stick around to save big on your next trip, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more budget hacks. Let's dive in. Number 1. Albanian Riviera instead of the French Riviera. Skip the glitzy crowds of Nice and head to Albania's stunning coastline, with crystal-clear waters and pebbled beaches in places like Kasamo. You'll enjoy Mediterranean vibes with fresh seafood and ancient ruins, but at a fraction of the cost. Think $50 a day versus $200. Plus, it's less touristy for that authentic feel. Number 2. Philippines instead of Thailand. Craving tropical islands and street food? The Philippines offers over 7,000 islands with white sand beaches like Boracay, minus Thailand's over-tourism. Dive into vibrant marine life or hike volcanoes for under $40 daily, compared to Thailand's 70+ SAR. Number 3. Paros instead of Santorini, Greece. Get those iconic Cycladic white buildings and azure seas without the hordes. Paros boasts golden beaches, charming villages like Nausa, and windmills. Perfect for Instagram. Save up to 40% on accommodations and meals, around $60 a day. Number 4. Curacao instead of St. Martin. For Caribbean flair, Curaçao's colorful Dutch architecture and hidden coves rival St. Martin's beaches. Snorkel in turquoise waters or explore Willemstad's markets, all for about $80 a day versus St. Martin's pricier resorts. Number 5. Baltic countries, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, instead of Scandinavia. Nordic charm on a budget. Medieval old towns in Tallinn, Art Nouveau in Riga, and dunes in Curonian Spit. Enjoy saunas and forests for $50 a day, half of Sweden or Norway's costs. Number 6. Memphis instead of Nashville. USA music lovers, swap Nashville's honky-tonks for Memphis's blues scene on Beale Street, plus Elvis's Graceland. BBQ and history abound at $70 a day, cheaper than Nashville's tourist surge. Number 7. Azores instead of Iceland. Volcanic landscapes, hot springs, and dramatic cliffs, Portugal's Azores deliver adventure with hiking and whale watching. Budget $60 a day, avoiding Iceland's high flight and food prices. Number 8. South Korea instead of Japan. Cherry blossoms, high-tech cities, and ancient temples in Seoul and Busan. Street food and K-pop vibes for $50 a day, less crowded and more affordable than Tokyo. Number 9. Armenia instead of Georgia, Europe. Caucasus Mountains, wine regions, and monasteries like Tatev. Hike and taste local cuisine for under $40 a day, with fewer tourists than trendy Georgia. Number 10. Mexico City instead of European capitals like Paris. Vibrant street art, historic sites like Teotihuacan, and world-class tacos. Cultural immersion for $50 a day, skipping Europe's Euro pinch. Ready to book? For the best deals on hotels and flights in these dupes, check out Booking.com. I've linked my favorites below, like affordable stays in the Albanian Riviera or Paros Villas. As an affiliate, I earn a small commission at no extra cost to you, helping support more tips like these. Pro tip: travel off-peak in 2025, use points apps, and pack light to maximize savings. Always check visa requirements and sustainable practices to travel responsibly. Which dupe are you adding to your 2025 bucket list? Drop a comment below, like if this saved you money, and subscribe for weekly budget travel hacks. Thanks for watching, happy travels, and see you in the next video.